Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from Port St. John, Florida. It's technically in Cocoa, but Port St. John is an amazing little area and community. Y'all check it out. Anyway, I am at 1063 Hibiscus Street, and first thing I want to do is give a big shout out to Carol McNamee of Florida East Coast Real Estate. She was kind enough to let us go ahead and do a video of this home and give you a video walkthrough so that you can check it out. Now, we are in an amazing pool home, and this home's listed at $340,000, and technically it's a 4-bedroom 2-bath, but it's got this 5th room with a closet, so it's really a 5-bedroom. And we are gonna walk right in here to this amazing living room area. And as you can see, we can already get a glimpse of that pool. So imagine sitting here on a couch, watching a TV up on that wall, and getting to look out your back door at that gorgeous flowing blue water. Isn't that such a cool concept? So here we are in the living room. We're gonna swing back around and we're going to the kitchen here. We've got a little kitchen nook right here. And then, of course, beautiful countertops, lots of cabinet space, nice looking dishwasher, microwave built in, little extra cabinet over on this side to give you some more space because we all have too much stuff. And look at this gorgeous refrigerator. Gotta show you that because that looks super nice. And then right out in here to your formal dining area. So you can have your dining table here, and of course, again, sitting at that dining table, you can look at that pool. And then of course, if you're sitting at the dining room table and want to watch a little TV, you've got a nice little open concept going on here to where you can see that. So this is the bedroom that would technically be number 5, or it could be an office. Like I said, it does have that closet there, so definitely could be your 5th bedroom. But wouldn't this be a great place for the desk and the office, to where if you needed a little break from work, you could just glance up, or better yet, on that lunch break that you gotta take even if you're working from home, you bring your lunch out here, and then you go for a quick dip in that pool. Because exercise is important also, right folks? And this pool is a huge pool. I'm not sure if my video actually gives you the depth and the length of this pool, but it is not one of those old 60s pools that, you know, not a lot of space. This thing is gorgeous. You could do laps, you could just float and get a nice tan. But Florida is an amazing place to be with a pool. Pool parties, look at all that concrete you got on the side over there. Tables, chairs, grill to make those burgers and hot dogs when all your friends come over. All right, enough of that. We'll get back inside. They frown upon me going swimming when I'm doing my videos, so I guess we'll skip that for today. Give you one more look before we go look at the bedrooms. So we're going to go down the hallway here, and we are going to go to the right and go to our primary bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. Nice that they put the primary in the back of the house so you can still glance outside. And of course we've got our regular sink. It's nice that they put a sink in that actually has some space over on the side, because I know I am a mess if I don't have a little bit of space for all of my stuff. So we've just got a walk-in shower here, which is amazing. A lot of people not liking those tubs anymore, so you are set up perfectly in there. And then we get over here to, in my opinion, is technically bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. And bedroom number 5. Or of course you could keep going with the concept of 4 bedrooms and an office. And now for those of you who do need a tub, we've got the perfect solution. You have your tub shower combo in your guest bath. Or if you have small children, I know when my kids were small, bath was easier than a shower. So we are going to come back here to the kitchen area. Actually, let's take a quick little jog outside real quick here, because look how large this driveway area is. You do have a carport here, but it is a double carport. So tons and tons of space. Nice little area back there if you wanted to store some things. But check out this laundry room. You not only have laundry area, but you got this whole other side. Perfect for if you're organized, not like me, but you could take your clothes out of the dryer and have a nice table over here, put them on the table, fold them, put them on hangers, get those towels folded, and have them all organized and ready to go inside. Like I said, not like me, but a lot of people are a little more organized than I am. So we are gonna cruise right back into the house again, and I'm gonna let y'all kind of get a gander of this gorgeous kitchen while I do a little bit of a recap here. Now, you don't want to look at me, that's not why you're here. You're here to see some houses. So we are at 1063 Hibiscus Street. Again, this is in the Port St. John area of Cocoa, 32927. And it's listed as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with that office, but that office could certainly be your 5th bedroom. We are in a pool home. Don't forget that pool, folks, because that is an amazing pool out there. And we are listed at $340,000. This home has solar photovoltaic panels, and I'm probably saying that totally incorrectly, but they are there. Water heater is 2 years old. Kitchen has newer appliances, new interior paint throughout. Just tons and tons of features here, folks. So if you are looking for a pool home here in the Brevard County Space Coast area, please give myself, Margaret Klein, with eXp Realty, a call for your own personal showing at 321-480-7662, or you can call Carol McNamee directly. She's the list agent. Again, she's with Florida East Coast Real Estate, and you could call either one of us and get your own personal showing of this absolutely gorgeous home. Don't let this one pass you by, listed at only $340,000 for a pool home. Thanks so much, folks, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.